Hi, I'm Glenn Charest, President of Paribus Industries and United CNC. We are here today at Detroit's 2014 North American International Auto Show to kick off a series of fun and entertaining monthly videos that will highlight our industry, community, and some of Metro Detroit's premier events like this. We'll be going to some really cool places like the Autorama, Detroit Grand Prix, the hydroplane races, and the Woodward Dream Cruise, amongst many other exciting events. So please join us for more monthly videos to come. Let's take a stroll around the show and check out this year's hottest models. Let's go, girls.
Come on, I want to show you the new Challenger Shaker.
I want to show you the new Charger.